Hi, this is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about a last value function. It is a last value function. It is a window function that returns the last value in a particular or ordered set of values. This first last value has a syntax of last value expression over partition clause, order clause, frame clause, and this is the syntax for the last value function. Here for this expression, the expression can be anything like it can be a column, it can be a subquery, or anything which expression which can evaluates only a single value. Partition by clause. This partition by clause can be a like anything like distributes the rows of that particular result set into partition to which that last value function has to be applied. And then the next thing is the order by clause, in which order it should be like it should be an increasing order or a decreasing order. And the third thing is a scalar frame clause. This frame clause can be a frame clause defines a subset of that particular partition being executed. Here the frame clause can be written like to explain this last value. I have taken a table called employee group table. In that employee ID, employee name, department ID, employee salary, 4 columns are there, in which I am going to write a select statement like select employee name, employee salary. Here I have written last value of employee name over order by employee salary. Here I have not given a partition, means that the whole set it will take the result set, the whole result as a one set, and gives the last value of that particular result. So if I execute this, see, if I execute this, here what we will get, like the employee name, employee salary, the last value is employee name over employee salary, means the employee salary which is in a increasing order, that is here frame clause which I have given is range between unbound preceding and unbounded following. Here I'll explain this in another video about this frame clause. Here I have explained about the last value. This last value, this is the last value in this particular result set. So here the Arvind is the name which is the last set which I have executed, and I got the last value of that particular result set. To explain more about this, I have given another example with the two tables like employee department and employee group table. Here the last value, see, here is the last value partition by, and this is the particular, here I have given the partition clause by department name. So for particular department, who is the last person, like that we can calculate, we can see result set. See, here in this particular department CSC, we have two people, in that the last person is Srinivas. Here we got the two names. Like this we can give like a simple example which can it is considered as a department name as a particular partition, and for that partition we'll retrieve the data as a last value. Okay, thank you for listening. Please subscribe.